So we will make it a lot easier on ourselves if we get rid of this idea that as you're walking the evolutionary journey, the transformational path, that makes you perfect. If perfect for you means your ego doesn't play up anymore, the attachments don't show themselves, if that is your idea of perfect, that now it should be a certain way, then you're actually just in for a big fat surprise. And that puts us in judgment. It puts us in a lower vibration. It makes us hard on ourselves and on others. Because here's the thing, and I shared yesterday this whole thing about what is the voice that's talking? Is it the ego or is it the soul? Ultimately, yes, it is one. But as we are journeying in this human life, we are embodying more of our soul. So it is one, but also in this density, it expresses itself perhaps as sometimes different parts of our consciousness. So we think we've regressed when something comes up, or we've dealt with it, now it comes up again. Yes, it comes up perhaps in a different way, but it may still come up for a hell of a long time. And if we realize that that's actually what's happening, and rather focus to realize it's happening and then to make the choice, rather than going into judgment and beating ourselves up or judging others because it did happen, that's very empowering when we realize, oh, okay, here's the voice of the ego. No worries. It is still on this journey. It's less of the soul. Tomorrow, it's more of the soul. Sometimes you may feel that you are such a powerful being that everything is in you, because ultimately it is. And another day you may feel frightened, afraid, everything may go wrong, and you may feel that you still need help from outside. And that doesn't make you less of a spiritual being. It just means that that day or that moment, the ego is just playing up. It's just showing you more of something. And that's what we need to realize. That is so liberating when we continuously see that, rather than focusing on how it should be. And then you can make empowered choices. Like I say, you will be catching it quicker. You will realize quicker that, oh, this is not the highest expression of my soul that is acting up. This is not in my highest alignment, in my soul alignment, or my highest soul alignment. But you will also know that the lower voice is just a part of you right now that is expressing itself for whatever reason. It just is. And that's how you can liberate yourself from all of this. That's when you can really let go, when you realize that. So hope that helps. Hope it helps. Certainly it helps for me to not be so hard on myself and to not be so much in judgment about myself and others. And to know that as I'm growing, hey, I need to see these things and it may play up. It's not an excuse. It's not a judgment. It is just how it is. Anyway, thanks for listening and catch you soon. Bye for now.